In the aviation maintenance program, it's an entry level for all students. You need no prior experience. We take you through all the stages of instruction side here, from electronics, basic math, pneumatics, sheet metal, electricity, inspections, regulations. We do well on our A&P exams with the FAA. They take 3 of them, a general, airframe, and power plant.
It's one thing to learn out of the book, but when you're actually out there doing something, it's something that's a lot more that you can carry back from it. Something that you can carry on with you after you leave school.
It's very nice to have an environment where we can actually learn and have airplanes on site that we can work on. In-depthness you get here versus just going and working, getting your certifications, coming here, learning all the in-depths with the plane really does help going into the field.
The aviation industry, the FAA has stated that they need 25,000 A&P mechanics by the year 2028. Right now, the industry is hiring at rates we've never seen, at salaries we've never seen before. There's such a need. Worldwide, they're calling for over 750,000 A&P mechanics.
When I graduate, I'm going to go do helicopters and airplanes for fire department and hospitals up north.
The knowledge, the people, the school itself, it's such a great school that I wish anybody who would look to become an A&P mechanic come here. We have planes, there's different things that we can do each day. There's so much hands-on experience that you can get from this, something that you can't really get at any other school.